Today I'll be teaching you on how to register for your BYU Pathway courses. So what I want you to do is to head onto your browser and type portal.byupathway.edu. Once you type that web address in, it should take you to a sign-in page. Okay, there's a problem. Let me log out and show you guys how to do it. Give me a sec. And we're back. So once you do that, I want you to take you to a place that looks like this. What I want you to do is to click Student Portal homepage. Once you click on Student Portal homepage, make sure you have your school email with you. Type that in. It should take you to a page that looks like this initially, but because of I have the email I want to use, I'm going to just click here. So once you do that, it should take you to your pathway portal, your student portal. If you've inputted your username and password, I can't show the username and password in public. So make sure you input your username and password, and if you input them correctly, it should bring you to this portal homepage. So now I'll be briefly explaining what all these columns are. Number one, this is program of study, basically the courses that you are taking and what program you are going for. For most of you, should be Pathway Connect. So that's why you see Pathway Connect here. This is the financial part. Your school fees, whatever you have to pay, will reflect here. Holds and alerts. This where the school has to send you some messages, maybe concerning the tuition discount. And yes, guys, there is a tuition discount, and it's available to everybody, up to 50%. A slash shout out from the fee. And holds. Maybe you've not registered for gathering or something like that. They will send you a message through the holds and alerts. And everything there has a link. You can just click them to view them in full. And you have the document center. If you have some documents that you need to maybe certificates and in this case tuition discounts. You need to click here and it will show you where your tuition discount where so the page where you start your tuition discounts. Classes. This is where it will reflect your current classes that you're taking. Now, because this person has not registered, it's not going to show any class here. So what I want you to do here is to head over to this now bar here and click academics. Then go down here and click class schedule. Once you click that, it should take you to this page here. Hold up, it's loading. So once you open this page, you just click on get started. Once you click on get started, what I want you to do is to check here. Well, now before we click on this register, I want you to notice this currently registered courses. This is how you check for all the courses you have been registered for. Or in the home page, you look at your classes. So currently registered courses shows you courses that you are currently registered for. But now I want to register him for PC 101. So click on register. Now let me, while the page is loading, I want to briefly explain what all these columns are. We have the select part. The select part is where you select all the courses that you want to do. We have the view. That is after you've selected, you scroll down, if you see this loading course selected, any course is selected will come down here. Then you enter view. Then register is when you see a register message pop up, something like a congratulations. So I want you to notice the heading here. All courses includes required and elective courses. So this is a place where they'll show you all courses available to you as a Pathway Connect student. I mean all. So it can get a bit overwhelming checking for the particular course you want to register for. And that is why we have a search button here. And for the courses you want to register for, I will advise you to always check a catalog. Please, 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 whatever your goal is, check your catalog, then see the path. Catalog is like a path, a path that you have to go to get your degree. So check your catalog and see the required courses that you're going to be registering for. So that is where you get the course code, that's where you get the name of the course, so you don't be lost. So what we need now to do is to register for PC 101. That is your course code. And as you can see, I want you to notice this add row here. See, it's empty. That's a sign that the class is full or is not available. And notice this status here is saying full, availability none. That means you can't register for this course. Now, when I say we can't register for the course, it means that this class is currently full. Each class has an instructor and can only take a limited amount of students, about 200 of them per class. So what I want you to do is to scroll down here, press this show, and press all. That way to show all the classes that are available. So by the time you scroll down, you should see ones that are available. As you can see, there are some that are available. See each of 200, see what some of 200 are available. So what you want to do is to click the one with the plus. Once you click the one with the plus, the portal should load and it should send it to the place that you have been selected, the column for selection. Now notice this page says selected courses. Is any course we've selected? So you see, we selected PC 101. Another thing I want you to know is that religious courses are required for Pathway Connect students or for every student in BYU. So for the first religious course that you want to do, I want you to press REL 250. Once you press REL 250, that is the course code for the first religious course everybody is required to take. You can see religious gospel, Jesus Christ is everlasting gospel, many of them. So you just press show all. You can see all these ones are full, so you just scroll till you find the one that is not full. See, we've gotten to the parts where they are not full. 17 or 40, 14 or 40, you just click on select. So once you click on that, you're loading the course. Now that we've clicked on that, it should show you all the courses you selected. As you can see, we've selected PC 101, we selected 258. Now, if you're wondering, will this work for students in degree and other courses? Yes, it is available. This short video covers everything you need for registration for degree, for every kind of sort of registration you want to do as a student. So what I want you to do is tap register. See this register slash drop. Tap it. Once you tap it, it should take you to the second part of this registration process, which is the view. It should just show you a view of whatever you want to register. What you want to do is now click register. Once you click register, a message should pop up saying you are currently registered for social course. Yeah, registered for the class. Review and follow the steps below. As you can see, this ones are asking for religious course, which we've already registered for, so there's no need to bother with that. So what I want you to do now is to select your gathering. Now this is absolutely critical. As far as a PC 101 students, you should be going for gatherings. I want to quickly show you the options. I will not be registering for gathering today. I want to show you how you can look at it. What you need to do, once you click on gathering, you take you to this page here. You tap on schedule. Once you hit schedule, You will see virtual or in person. If you click virtual, it's going to take you to a list of locations. You can see that they are online. All of these are online. And we have in person. Click on in person. These are the locations we have. We have Nigeria. We have many places. You just have to look for your particular place. Then that's the end of this video. I hope it helped, and good luck in your learning journey.